Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be actually installing a set of magnetic paddle shifters. The specific set is actually from a company called, cover my address, Carismo. It's a company based all the way from the US, I think from New York, and they specialize in all sorts of paddle shifters and also steering wheels. So if you guys also want to cop yourself a pair of paddle shifters or even a steering wheel, I might do that. Make sure to stick to the end of the video for a discount code that you can use at their shop so you can save some money. In carbon we trust. Ooh, damn, that looks so nice. Sheesh, look at that. Look at that carbon weave. Oh, oof. Bro, that's so cool. You guys hear that? Compare this, look, listen to this. You can barely hear that, but look. Oh, that's so cool. Alright, next thing you want to do now is you want to disconnect the battery. So I've already gone and done that, so it's just disconnect the negative terminal. I think it's just a 10mm socket. You just need to loosen that out, take out that connection. I just have a microfiber there just to hold it in place, and then make sure you have something covering the trunk so that if it closes, you have something there to stop it. So battery's gonna be dead now, so nothing in the car is gonna be working, so you want to make sure that you can get in and out still. Now next step is to remove the airbag. There are two little holes here on each side. What you want to do is you want to just have an Allen key here. Just want to push this in. You're gonna feel some sort of pressure. You want to just push that all the way in. I don't understand. What am I supposed to feel here?
Probably like a pop.
Oh, there. Alright, we've got the airbag out now. Just need to... Oh, shit. Now we just need to unplug the connector. Thankfully it didn't blow up on our face. Now we've got a T20 here, a T20 here to get rid of this trim piece. We also have one underneath somewhere there. We have to take that one out, take this trim piece off, and then we can get to these connectors for the paddle shifters. Let's get these T20s out. Make sure we keep them safe. We've also got another one at the bottom here. Ooh, look at that. Okay, now we gotta take off. Brother, hello. This connection here. And then now, what I want to do is want to take out these two more sets of T20s to loosen out the paddle shifter. So you can see it's already kind of coming out. Okay, so we'll take this out. Okay, they'll just hang. So now what we want to do is we want to get these blue connectors. That's what's controlling the paddle shifters. So we're going to have to somehow get into there and then take this out. So I think what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take this whole bracket out. So we just want to disconnect this. How do I disconnect it? I don't want to break anything, man. I think it's just this thing. Brother, this is so annoying. Just come out already, like. Yeah, we just need to disconnect these paddles from here, from these connectors. So I just take these off. So these are the old paddles, you see? Makes no noise. The right side is a bit more complicated because there's so much more wiring on this side. Yeah, there's the right one. Sheesh. But these look so nice, look at that. Connected now. And do the same on this side. There you go. Look at that. Sheesh, that looks so good. Well, this one's in properly. I can't get this one in. But yeah, you get the idea. Okay, so now we're just gonna put everything back together. I completely forgot, they actually give you some tools. Well, they give you a couple Allen keys and some of the screws to use to put back on. So you could use the old screws. I think you're better off using the ones they give you just to make sure that it's the correct fit. What are these small ones for? NANI? What are these for? Okay, let's go. Damn, that's loud, isn't it? I don't know what the rest of these screws are for. Oh well. I also just realized, if you don't like the big ones, they give you smaller ones. Cool! But these are also really nice.
Nice.
If any of you guys want these, €200 each, yeah? Bruh. I'm just joking. Should we give these away? Actually, no, we can't even give them away because we need the other stuff.
Yeah.
You don't need to give away, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a discount code anyway, so it's fine.
That's where the other screws are for the small ones.
Probably. At least we have the option to use smaller ones if we ever need to. I think these are the perfect size. They look really good. Yeah, I'm pretty happy so far. Okay, there you go. Everything's back together now. Hopefully nothing is loose. Alright. Everything's back together. And that's the final product. That looks really good.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. This is gonna make me wanna go manual all the time now, so I can just play with these paddles. The quality looks really, really good. Feels quite solid as well. It doesn't feel like flimsy or anything like that. And it's real carbon fiber, guys, so quality is really, really good. Damn. These are some tight ass back roads. Oh yeah. Ooh, this is hella tight. The only thing I don't like about this place is the bumps. There are literally bumps every like 10 seconds. Or not even 10 seconds. Every 2 seconds. Not gonna lie, it kinda sounds good right now. We'll do a little U-turn here at Ghost Grove. Pass by the old Goat's Grove.
Their pizzas are over here.
Yeah. If you guys haven't gone here before, come here and try the pizzas. It's really good. I don't know about the coffee, but pizza's good.
Oh yeah, they have coffee.
I probably look hella ridiculous with this thing on my head, but oh well. The looks I'm getting from these people, bro. Okay. Oh, I've got traffic. I keep forgetting you can actually shift with this thing. Look. Yeet. Yeet. Yeah. But we're here for the paddles, so we'll use the paddles. Aha, thank God. So look at this bump and another bump. That's crazy.
Big bumps.
Yeah. Bumps now. But yeah guys, so far I'm really liking these paddles from Carismo. Yeah, they feel really solid, they sound good, and yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys would also like to cop yourself a pair of magnetic paddle shifters, or even I think you can get them on anything on the website like steering wheels, shifters itself, make sure to use my discount code BIMMER10 for 10% off any purchase on the website. Couldn't recommend them more. These are probably the best paddles you can get out on the market. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you guys did like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. We'll be pumping out more videos a lot more often. Make sure you guys tune in, make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any other uploads. So yeah, I guess that's it. Peace out.